This is a video for a Elna Super Sewing machine that will be up for sale on eBay under Bay Area Auction. Right here, let me just go over some video of it so you can see the condition. The condition overall is in really good condition for its age. It does come with the original case for it as well. Comes with the original pedal. Also, Mom had another unit like this that we sold, but this button or this knob was frozen on that unit. This unit, it's not. This unit does move. It's just from the oil or grease that they used years ago. On that other unit, it was just frozen because that grease just got too sticky. This unit, though, it does move on. Overall, this is in really good condition. Everything does move and work as it should. Slow it down, speed it up. Let me turn the unit around a little bit so you can see the back. This side. It does have a couple little blemishes, but very light. There's a couple little. But on the main unit itself, there's really no major blemishes. Just very light blemishes. If you have any questions or if you have any other pictures you'd like to send or ask me to send you, I can do that. Let me lift this up. Oh, that way. It does have the bobbin. It's a complete unit. All right, guys. Again, this is going to be on my eBay store, Bay Area Auction. Bay Area Auction. I say it sometimes too fast, but either way. All right, guys. If you have any questions, just send me an email through eBay. Thanks, guys. Bye.